Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Today we're going to do a 12 by 12 inch swipe. Just putting the base layer down. It's a nice thick white house paint. Colors, saucer and green gold. They're a chain. It's their in-house paint. They don't do online, so if you're recreating this or wanted to, just use a really good gold that you have, your favorite go-to. Also, we'll be using Arteza's Pearl Copper Gold, Amsterdam's Van Dyke Brown, and Arteza Mars Black. And we'll be swiping over with white. The pouring medium for the colors only. It's 3 parts untinted base paint that I get from the hardware shop, and 1 part polyurethane gloss varnish. Again, for my new subscribers, I'm in Ireland, so you probably won't be able to get the exact ingredients that I'm using for the pouring medium, which is the pouring medium that I learned from the Sheleeart online course. I will link her course below with a discount code as well, 15% off. She's the one, she does the beautiful blooms, but I will link all her info below. This is her pouring medium that she uses. Well, it's the equivalent to her pouring medium. There are other artists on YouTube in different parts of the world that are using this pouring medium as well. So depending on where you live, check them out and see what they're using that works for them. But I'll link them all below. My consistency varies color to color, honestly. It depends on the paint. So hopefully you can see it there. I like thicker rather than thin. I'm putting the black down in hopes for cells to pop up through the middle. I've done it before with the blooms, and I got some lovely black cells that popped up in the center of the bloom. So we're going to go for that as well here. And so the white, yes, the white that I'm swiping with is 1 part Amsterdam's titanium white to 1 part Australian Flood Floetrol. The Australian Flood Floetrol is not necessary if it's out of your reach as far as, getting it from Australia, which is insane that I ordered it from Australia. But anyway, I experiment and I like experimenting. And that's what Shelee uses in the blooms course. And so I wanted to try it out and see what what was so different about it. But it is different. I will tell you that much. It smells like glue and it's a lot thinner than the other Floetrols. But it has strengthened my cells, I've noticed. But yes, so will I buy it again? I don't know. I purchased a bottle, and then my friend Leslie sent me a bottle. So we'll see. I don't know if I'll be purchasing it again or not. But it is definitely strengthening up my cells. Anyway, yes, so if you want a more detailed tutorial on this swipe that I'm doing, you can check out my previous video. I'm talking step by step through that one. So instead of laying music over, I wanted to spare you guys the music and just do a voiceover. And it goes pretty quick when you're not actually physically doing the swipe. Right now I'm putting down, that's house paint, that's leftover house paint. I scraped it up with my lowly Veffy scrapers and into a cup. And so I'm using it around the edges of this to help get all the paint moving as one. So you don't have to waste much. I mean, it's a lot of paint that you're using. It's a lot of house paint, really. The pouring medium goes a long way when you mix it with the colors, and you're not using as much of the colors. It's the house paint I find that you're using a lot of. So I kind of just go back and forth there just to marry everything together to get it moving and flowing again as one. And you can see those black cells that popped up in the middle. Let's see. Yes, now for the white that I swiped with, now that is the Floetrol and white mix. Now I have, you can see, check out my previous videos a little further back. I was swiping with Amsterdam's titanium white and water only, and getting, you know, really, I think, really nice results. So like I said, I don't think purchasing the Australian Floetrol is a must. And then the people in the US and Canada that are doing it, I know Tammy, she's in the US, and I believe she uses the USA Floetrol, and her results are, I mean, stunning. So like I said, I'm just experimenting. I like to play around and experiment and see what's what. But it's definitely strengthened up my cells, I will say that much. I don't know what is in the stuff, but I'm going to send it to a lab. Just messing. So there we have it. That was just a quick swipe, guys. I just wanted to jump in over this video instead of putting you through the music, and I'm sure most of you had muted it by now, but to each their own. You can see on the close-up now the cells are just, they're really, really nice. Like, they're strong. They didn't lose their shape much when I was tilting. They just grew bigger. Let's see. Especially that bottom right is my favorite. Anyway, I'm going to close up here so I don't get cut off. But thanks for joining me, you guys. I'm going big on a swipe tonight, so fingers crossed for me. And I will, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked my video. And if you like the painting, all that stuff. Check the links below, guys, okay? Lots of info to other YouTubers, my social media. I have a PayPal link for donations to help me purchase supplies for the channel. Shop with me on Amazon. Follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. So just check out below, and I will talk to you guys next time. All right, thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.